as part of the actual film for Howl's Moving Castle. That's so cool. Part of the actual film. That's dope, dude. So at this restaurant, when you run out of rice, there's a guy who comes around and he gives you more rice. So it's like unlimited rice. So far, today's adventure has just been me going to a tattoo shop to get a tattoo. So this cost 1,000 pesos. Which in Canadian dollars is like what, 20 bucks? 20, $25, something like that. So this piece is 25 bucks. And afterwards, I want to get some slippers. And the most comfortable one was some Gucci slides. Right, Dad? Gucci slides. So I got $20 tattoo and like $2, $3 Gucci slide. Couple dollar Gucci slides, you know, and another piece of the puzzle for my Studio Ghibli sleeve. And if you guys don't know who this is Chihiro and Haku from Spirited Away. It's pretty dope because the tattoo artist, he went to a junk shop and he found that small little Howl's Moving Castle frame, which is cool. I think he bought it for like 1 peso or something, which is like a few cents probably. And like that's a big find for something like that. So it's pretty dope. Going into a cave. The entrance of this is like a beginning of that one scary movie where the chick goes in the cave and there's like a bunch of vampires. Go check this out. And it just goes under. Apparently we're gonna come out through the other side, but we'll see. We'll see if we'll make it out alive. Oh, it's so narrow in here. Made it alive. So, made it outside alive. It's kind of hard moving around. It's really tight and dark. We needed flashlights from our phones. They didn't provide flashlights. But you know, we made it still. I couldn't really record that much because there wasn't that much light and I didn't really know how it'd look on video, but I tried to get as much as I could on there, and off to the next adventure, I guess. We're buying an animal. of some sort. They just told me to come. So, they listed a big price, so I'm gonna assume it's a big animal. Oh, hello.
Wala ba? Ano gagalo? Ano may dumedeli pa eh.
That cow, oh, it's huge. It's like a unicorn, it's white. Oh, there's more.
Oh. Ayun, natakot sa kapal. Paano mauuli pala ito? Hindi tatali yan.
Hindi, madali lang ulihin yan.
Hulihin mo.
GTR. So we are currently now at what they call Daranak Falls, which is just a giant waterfall. And it was right beside, oh, they actually have, I don't know if you can see, not really. There's the cave that we were just at. This is like where we are right now is, I don't know, maybe like a 10-minute tricycle ride from that cave where we just came from. So pretty close by. This is where I want to go to next. Giant ass rocks that you climb up to the top and or overlook all the greenery. So hopefully we can get to that one day. I just tried asking if I can fly the drone just in front of the falls, but I guess since this is such a big like tour spot, they basically said if I wanted to fly the drone, I would have to pay in order just to fly it. So I guess handheld footage will do for now, but it kind of sucks because it's super nice and I wanted to fly the drone at the top and get it coming down, but they said no. Oh well. Picked up the snack, we call it a banana Q. It's like a fried banana coated in like brown sugar. Pick around, get your fishball on a stick, and dip it in some sauce. I don't know what that is. That's something spicy. That's sweet sauce. It's not sweet. I'll just dip it. It's good too. Street food everywhere. All the way until the other side. It wraps, I think it wraps around this building. Ate a lot of street food. I'm home. I bought a hat and it's dark now, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. If you made it this far in the vlog, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace.